swear I had a plan. I was gonna get the tracking number. I was gonna film the FedEx guy walking up. I was gonna film him handing me the package. I was gonna do all this production, go upstairs, put it on the table, unbox it. It just arrived. eero is here. Alright, so today we're gonna unbox eero. Now, if you haven't been following me, you don't know anything about eero. eero is a brand new Wi-Fi revolutionary product that is supposed to end our Wi-Fi woes. Now, I got an email this morning that said, you're gonna get tracking information. Your eero is shipped. You will get tracking information soon. Well, I didn't get tracking information. I haven't gotten tracking information all day. But I got a box with a sticker on it that says Wednesday, and it's scratched out. It's Tuesday. Let's unbox this. Okay, here we go. So you get to kind of see it first. This is eero. We're thrilled to deliver eero. You're an earliest supporter. You believed in eero from the start. That's me. But here it is. I ordered the 3 AP system right here. I'm going to show you the box. So we've got technical specs right there. What's in the box? Look at that. eero. Wi-Fi. It's trying to focus on me, guys. Okay, back of the box, App Store, Google Play Store. I'll be downloading that app tonight. Hi, Periscope. Zipping it crazily. You know I'm a package freak. I'm not one of those guys that, I may throw the stuffing away, but I don't throw the boxes away and I don't rip them. I'm just that guy. Alright, so we got a nice slip cover. Wow, you want to talk about some premium stuff. Look inside of that. Is that not cool or what? So that's the slip cover. Here's the box. There's nothing else except that nice kind of logoed eero right there. Alright, let's open it up for the first time. Alright, the top of the box. Oh, it's got that nice matte foam up there. There it is. I have to turn facial recognition focusing off. So there's a get started sticker right there on the eero. So let's take that one out. They're pretty decent size. It's got a wow, it's got a rubber grippy bottom. The whole bottom is rubber grippy. That's pretty neat. It does say, first things first, download the eero app. You'll need to set up your eero Wi-Fi system. Find it at eero.com/app. So let's see if we pull the box open. We're gonna get to the all the guts, all the fun stuff. Wow, this is a fancy schmancy Cat 5 cable. So it's all rubbery feeling. So we got the Cat 5, and also we have a power cable. It's number 2, and it's got, look at that, there's no Ethernet cable for that one. This is gonna be really cool. box that it came in. Here's the eero. Zoom. Come on, focus camera. So, it's unboxed. It's done. Go mix it, Dave. Hey guys, it's Dave. Let's get unboxing the eero. I can't do this with one hand. Ah! I'm not really dangerous looking, am I?